Hello, welcome Six Graphics. Today we are going to check how to return a item in your system, and also we are going to check for how to refill back item to your inventory. Okay, so let's go and check form. Then I will open here my application. This is my application, so I'm going to check for the free purchase. Click this free purchase. You see here, this is a free purchase. Okay, this is a free purchase. So when I want to refill something, fill any drug, or want to return any drug, so I just click on the load the supplier name. Then also I will come here. I think we have seen the supplier table, the with its detail. So I will show you here. But so here now you can choose the one who logged in. If you choose the wrong one, see it give you a error. Please select your real name. So I select my real name with real name. Then here I can choose what things to update. Okay, if I want to update itraconazole, it is quite now available. It is 17. Okay, so I want to add the itraconazole. So I just am coming here and they put the one. Maybe I can put 50 itraconazole. Okay, then if the itraconazole it is change the selling price. If we want to change the itraconazole price, just come here and you click change price. Then you have the itraconazole design. Then you come here to 0. Then I create a text box. Then I write the exact name of itraconazole. Then I save these changes and I click OK. Then here, so you can see the change here. Maybe if you wrote this one, you see here 500. Okay, so after all, then you put your all details. If you have buy the back details, the back items, so you want to refill to your inventory, so just here is the place where you can add to your inventory and click one button. Then there we go. So here I can click, you see here quantity variable is 17. So when I click add the inventory, then you click OK. Then this one, you see it is now 67. It is 67, and this description, it is locked, so you can't add anything here. Also in the quantity, it is locked, you can here. Also in here we have these things here, new things here, this tick, and this is locked. So we are going to check to see how the way to manipulate this here. But the form, it is resembled sales order. This is the purchase order form. So you can make your form as this. So let us go to check the data of this form, with the combined data of this form. Okay, go to check the data. So here now we are in the form. This is the form, so you can make the form. So this is the subform. So made it your own, as we made the series order form and the series order sub series form. That's how we made this one. Then we have the data in the main form and the data in the subset. Okay, first of all, let us go and check this one, the supplier table. Okay, just go and create supplier table. This is supplier table, supplier this one, then design view. Okay, this is the design view. This is supplier table. Oh no, what this one? Oh, supplier table and design view. So we have supplier ID is the auto number, item code is a number, description text box, supplier license number, status is short texty, payment method short texty, payment interval texty, and the supply item texty. You can design your supplier table. We have these details here: contact, country, status. So this is the supplier table. Okay, then we have purchase table. We have purchase, purchase. We have purchase table, purchase order. We have purchase order table and the purchase. So let us go and check this one. So this is purchase table, purchase order. Okay, we have order number is auto number. We have order date is date. We have employee ID is short text. We have supplier ID is number. We have status and short text we have prepared by. So save it. Say this is purchase order. Okay, then we have purchase order. We have purchase order detail. We have order number and the item code. All of this one has the primary key. Okay, don't ask. We have employee ID, we have customer name, we have quantity, unit price, in and out quantities, line status, not C, price change. Okay, yes, price change is a number. Then save. This is purchase detail. Okay, then just come to your form, click this here to this black square here. Then go to the dot and select the record source or create the query. Then go to your query, add two tables, just add the suppliers and add the purchase order. Then add some field to this here, like this. So starters from purchase order here, then order number from purchase order, then order date from purchase order, and it is ascending. Then add supplier ID from purchase order, then add the supplier, add the address line 1 to suppliers, add address line 2 to suppliers, add contact number to supplier, add employee ID purchase to purchase order. Then save and go to the existing data. Okay, go to form design, then click add existing field, then go here and add status here, this is my status. Add order number here, this is order number. Add the order date here, then add supplier name, supplier ID, then add supplier, then add address 1, address 2, contact number, and the employee. So here in supplier, change this to the combo box. Just right click and go to changes, then select the combo box. Here you can see here, maybe let me show you here the text box. If this is the text box, so I want to change it to combo box. Okay, then I right click this one and go to changes, right click, go to changes, then here click combo box. So this now is the combo. After this, then go to the low source. Remember, go to the low source and select the low source. Here I can go and select the low source is here, so you can select. Then you will get something like this. It is empty. Then right click and show tables, or you can come here and add the table. If you have tables, you can click here. If you have linked the table, you can click here. But remember, here you want to add the table of supplier. So just come here and select the supplier. Just drag it or double click it, the table will appear here. Just select supplier name. Okay, then run this one, you will see something like this one. Okay, you can close. So if I load the form and click here, you see I have this supplier. So this the thing we done here same as here. So just come and let me do this one. Just come here and go to low source, click here, we have suppliers. So suppliers, add supplier ID, add supplier name, but the actual field we need is this one, supplier from supplier. Add this one, address 2, and the contact number, then save. After that, just come to format and in column count just put 2. You want to see the 2 column, just 1 and 2, ignore others, just 1 and 2. Then put 0 to column 1, means the supplier ID. We don't want to see the supplier ID. The column 1 is supplier name, so we want to see the supplier name. Just put the value here, then put another 0 0. Then click save. After that, when you load your form, then you will see here, when you click this, get the supplier details. When you click the supplier details here. Also, we have this up here to employee ID. Also, just right click, go to changes and click the combo box. After that, go to employee ID, then go to the data and click the low source. Just click it and add table employees, or if you have linked the table like me here, add table employees. Then add employee names and click save. After that, when you load and click like this one, you will see the employee name. That's all. So the main form, this main form has that issue. Then just create the announce. We're still in the data formation. Okay, we are still not going to the code. We are still in the data formation. So just create another form like we created the service details. So example this one. So you can just duplicate and add these labels as you see here. But first of all, we must go to check the data where this form fetch data. Just click this form black square, then go to the low source, then click. You see here in the low source we have purchase detail query. When you click this one, you get the purchase detail query, and the purchase detail query have these two tables. Just go and add this table, add the purchase detail table, and add the inventory table. And the required field to be added here, purchase details, all of the purchase details. Just click this asterisk, then you drag here. Okay, that's all. Then add buying price from inventory. Add the create the custom name here, custom field, net amount equals to what? Let's see here, equal to buying price times quantity. That's so this is our net amount. Then in the description, just add it from description, add it from inventory. Then unit price from inventory, percentage price change, that's the price change added from purchase details, and inventory quantity from inventory. Then click save and go to your form design, go to the table existing, then add the required field. First of all, we add this item code, this one item code here, and change this item code to combo box. That's the low. Then go add the inventory quantity, add unit price quantity, unit price unit in the unit price. Then add this custom field here. The custom field is it is, let me show you here, this custom field. The custom field, it is inventory quantity, this field plus this field. So inventory quantity, we plus the quantity to add, so we get the present quantity present. Okay, yeah, it means the quantity to be present after adding that. Okay, then add the net amount. Okay, then create a button and select the icon instead of a word. Okay, just create another button, then put the name of the button, and the caption is change price. Also put another button, and the caption is remove. The name of the button is CMD remove. Then put the total here, or the total equals to this text box equal to sum with some net amount. That's all. Then put this purchase details as in sales order form. We put the more details here. We put the purchase detail. Okay, it's like that. Then you put number, then you put the low source here, then we have the function of this one, so we can see later. Okay, so that's how we made this form to have data. So we are going to check one by one of the code. We will start first of all, we must know the names things. Of course, here in the employee ID, this is text employee ID. This field, this combo, it is text employee ID. We have these two image. The first image with X, it is image name Ella, and the second image, it is image name Tick. Okay, remember that names. Then we have this one here. This is CMD tick, and we have this one. This is the CMD change price, and we have this one. This one is the CMD remove. Remember, we will include this to the code. Okay, so let us go to the code. First, we start to unload. Just click this one and go to the event tab, then go to unload. Unload code, we have this code here. Unload. First of all, we must make this image name Ella and the image be invisible. So you see me.image Ella.visible. Then we must check the condition. If me.status is equal to completed, so if the status of the that order is equal to completed, then we must shift the CMD remove to left to this value. Then we must shift CMD change price left to this value in order to fill the gap of CMD tick, because the gap of this one, it is true to be visible. So this one you see here, you see this is here, but when I load this form, you will not see this one, but this one will be here. This CMD change will be squeezed to here and fill this gap. So if this order is not completed, if the status is not completed, then this tick will not be shown here, and this two button will be squeezed to here, to right here, as you see here. You see this button squeezed from here to here, so the space remain to this side. Then if this is equal to completed, then this button also will squeeze to here to the right side, and leave here the that tick to appear. I think you understand. That is the logic here. So here to our logic here. So if it is completed, then this button will be squeezed to right, to this value. Then the CMD remove will be false because the order is completed and nothing to be edited there. Then the CMD tick will be visible because this one has been squeezed to right, so the gap is filled with CMD tick. Then the item code will be equal to false because no one can add it, and this quantity will be equal to false, and the CMD price will be equal to false, and the text number will be equal to false. So this is how to reference. We refer to the control of the sub form. You see, this is the purchase order. This is the name of the main form. Then this is the name of the form, and we go to the control, which is CMD remove. Then we put the thing that we want the CMD remove to obey. Okay, else this is the new way to reference, and this is the older way. Just reference. So just choose what is better for you. Just go and then else it is the vice versa of this one. So if this is not completed, then this one will be filled, that space, as when I load the form here will be filled, and the CMD tick will not be visible. I think you understand the logic here. So, and other things will be true, item code will be true because not visible, so we can add something there to the form. Then CMD change price will be equal to visible because nothing, we can change the price, and the text number will be equal to visible. That's how we do the logic there. So let us go and check. That was on load. And on current we put the same code. Just remember, we put the same code. Also, before insert, we have before insert here, but I have disabled it. Just leave as it is. Then we have on opening and on the closing. I think you have noticed that when I load my form, it in the background of the form, it will be look dark like this. When I load this, see there is some dark side here. You see, this is the form which is transparent, and it open alongside with this form, which each form that I've been open from this application has the transparent form behind it. You see, this a transparent form, so we will check it as long as it continues. Okay, so you see here when I load this, this is empty here, so the tick will be not visible, and here tick is not visible, and this squeezed to this one, and this is not locked. Okay, so if this status was compared, then you will see here the tick and this two button will be squeezed to right. Okay, that's so. Then we come to this one here, this employee ID. The employee ID, I have said that when you select the employee who is not logged in, so this application will ignore and tell you to select the real name. What is the real name? The real name is the one who is logged in, as I showed you here. Let me show you here. When I click this one here and create new, then come here and select the supplier. Then you see here upward here, this I'm logged in as Richard Mahende. So when I come to employee here, my name is this. So when I select this one, the application will deny the employee. So you see the application deny the employee, and the image error appear, and the text appear tells you that please select your real name. Also, alongside with that one, the description item code here is locked, and quantity also it is locked, and this change price and remove is locked. So let us go and check this one. But when I select the real name, you see the image tick appear, and this column bound, this one, it look like a green color, and here you see you can add something this one, and the change price and the remove is unlocked. So let us go and check the code behind that combo box. So select the image the employee ID combo box. Then we go to the event. Then in before update of that combo box, you have this code. First of all, we must give the condition. So if me.textid.column, we refer the column because that combo, and you remember we have only one data to the query. of that combo box. That's why we put column 0. If the column of the name will be to the column 2, we will be column 2. We will put a 2 here. We will put 2 here. But the column, it is on 0 because we start to count from 0 to 1. The program count 0 to 1. Start from 0 to 1. So here we put equal to 0 because we refer to that name of that employee. So if me.text.employeeid.column0 equals to forms, reference we make this. If this equal to forms, navigation forms, it is a form that the main form of the application, and just refer here, just this is the navigation form, this navigation form, and we refer to that this field here. This is text user. So the logged in person user, the name of the user will be listed here to the text user text box. Okay, that's why we refer to this form. So here we refer to the forms if the selected item to this combo box equals to the name listed to this form upward there, then me.text employee id.border color, we put the border color equal to green. I see the green, this is RGB. Then image.name.tick equal to visible is equal to true. Then we hide the image name error equal to false. Then forms purchase order, we are going to check we refer to the sub form. Say purchase the order line, then CMD remove, we put equal to true. Okay, CMD remove to enable the equal to true. Then purchase order subseries is this one, then item code enable is equal to true. Okay, if this is equal to this one, then we put this control item code quantity and the CMD change price text number equal to true also. But when this one, if the text employee id.column0 is not equal to the form navigation form text user.value, then we refer to this else here. Then text employee id.border color equal to red color, the RGB color. Then image name text equal to dot visible is not equal to false. So we hide the tick and we showed up the error image, and we disable all of the control, as you see here, false. Then we give also a message, please select your real name, invalid name. Think so. So that is a employee ID combo box. Okay, so the next tutorial we will continue to check on this one. Let me see, we'll check for this change price and CMD remove, and this one. I think this one is like that one we have done to the sales order. Okay, ledger. Here we have purchase order ledger. Thanks for watching. My name is CGD 6. Welcome 6 Graph. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Here we go.